Hi, my name is Raina Mehta and I'm currently pursuing my diploma in baking and pastry from School of European Pastry, and I'm graduating in a week. Before I started school, I got to know about school through Instagram, because if you see their social media page, the school is really active and they show a lot of behind the scenes of what's happening in class. So I came to visit the school, and I remember I came here with a lot of questions of what the school is about, what they're going to cover. And I remember Chef Vikas sat me down and he gave me his time and he made me explain everything. And more than that, he just heard me out about all my questions and all my doubts. Also, the vibe of the school is so welcoming and warm that you feel that you want to be a part of the culture here. I can't believe the 6 months are over. And I'm looking forward to what my role is in the industry, and I feel very, very skilled and confident in myself now than I was feeling 6 months ago. So I'm really going to miss my time here. But yeah, thank you.